Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome to my organization. Welcome back. This is MK. Today I'm going to show you how you can share your file or movies or any videos with Xiaomi phone to Xiaomi phone without using Bluetooth or shared apps. As you know, the shared apps today being a lot of ads, unusual ads. Those are very disappointing and very disturbing. So I just using a default app with Xiaomi named Xiaomi Mover for file sending or file receiving. So let's do it. As you can see, I have a two smartphone here. On a Xiaomi smartphone called Note 5 Pro, Note 5 Pro AI Pro, sorry, Note 5 AI Pro, and others on Note 5 AI. Both are in black version, black, and 3 to 32 GB RAM or ROM. So I just send some photos and videos from one phone to another. So just go to settings here and go to additional settings. Now go to here MI Mover, and here you have two options. I am a sender and I am a receipt. So I am a sender and this one will be receipt. So just go to settings and additional settings and MI Mover, and I am a receiver, so I am a sender and I am a receiver. Just put on a password here and click on next, and just here you just select MI phone. You will have a barcode. You just scan the barcode. Okay, done. Okay, no, cannot connect, so try again. Connecting. I don't know why it's take a time. So okay, finished. Just some audio and video files from one phone to another phone. So I just unmark all and just click on audios. It's 9 GB. So I just mark on some videos, also audio file, and get back and click on send. Got it. Okay, as you can see, the file sending process is very fast. No ads and no other option here. In the other apps, third-party apps, it will be risky to send file one to another. It will affect your phone with various ads or various unusual activities. But in Xiaomi phones, it's default app, so don't worry about it. I already finished. The audio file is already send it. Thanks, friend. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe this channel. Thanks.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?